Hi friends, welcome to the Real Education YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to learn about how to use Scotiabank mobile banking application. So in this video, we are going to cover the three topics of Scotiabank mobile banking app, how to log in for the first time in Scotiabank application. First of all, go to the Play Store or App Store, install the application and wait for a while. Now friends, this is the Scotiabank mobile banking application interface. First of all, they are asking for your card number or username. So enter your card number or username as per your comfort. Now friends, they will ask for your password. So enter your password here. I hide my all informations due to privacy issue. After entering your password, you need to tap on the continue icon. And friends, if you're facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Now they are asking you to help us to confirm your identity. They will ask you a security question. You just need to answer your security question, and after entering your answer, you need to check mark this box and then tap on the continue icon. Together we can keep your account safer. Activate two-step verification to continue banking. Use this device for two-step verification. Active two-step verification, you need to tap on this icon. They will ask you are about to activate two-step verification, then you need to tap on the activate two-step verification. This application will ask you about permissions, so you need to allow notification permission from the allow icon. So quick sign in, yes remember me, or no thanks. So we need to tap on the yes remember me. After selecting it, wait for a while. How would you like to sign in each time? You can select your face ID or your password. So I will suggest you to use your face ID because this is really very convenient and easy. Now friends, as we can see here, the home dashboard is opened successfully. Number 2, how to get Scotiabank statement. This is the my account option, and as you can see, my all accounts are available at here. So please select your account at here. So friends, I want my basic banking account statement, so I have to select this account. Now as you can see here, this is your balance, your on hold balance, and here is the option of transactions and account info. So we have to select account info option. Now as you can see, this is your account name and account details, and we have to tap on the view all statement. Now you can select your son at here 2019, 20, 21, 22 as your preference, and here is the option of May, April, March, February and January as your preference. You can select it. And also you can view your statement, and if you want to download, then you can download it. Number 3, how to transfer money from Scotiabank to any another bank. And here is the option of transfer your money, as you can see in the bottom. So we have to tap on the transfer. Now friends, we can see here is the option of transfer, make transfer, and transfer between your accounts, send money, deposit check, and send money to international. So we have to tap on the send money internationally. Friends, here is a two method to send money internationally. First of all, bank deposit, and second is cash pickup. So we have to tap on the bank deposit. Scotiabank International Money Transfer Agreement. So we have to tap on the I agree. Now check mark this box and tap on the continue. Now friends, we have to select our account. So first of all, select a receiver account. So tap on the 2. If you already added an account, then you can transfer directly, but if you want to add a new account, then tap on the add a new account. I have already. After selecting your receiver account, then you have to select from your account. So you have checking account, savings accounts and current account, many types of accounts available. So I am selecting my current account and tap on the continue. Friends, after selecting your receiver account and your account, and then you have to select the purpose. Why you want to transfer your money, select your purpose at here. Here is many types of options available at here. Investments in equity shares, invest in debenture, invest in real estate, and repayment of your loans, and deposit to NRI account, and many types of options available at here. So I am selecting my options. I hided all the things due to security purpose, and then tap on the you send and they receive. So enter your amount and they will receive this type of amount, and you can also see your exchange rate and flat fee and total amount at here in the bottom. After entering all details, you can see at here I already hide the all details due to security purpose, and tap on the continue. So as we can see friends at here, this is your confirmation of your transfer, and your money has been transferred successfully. Save this is your reference number, and copy the reference number. You can copy it, and this is all details are here. So your money transfer is successfully. Friends, I hope that this video is really helpful for you. If you are facing any problem, then you can tell me in the comment section. I will surely try to help you. Thanks for watching this video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.